All right, mix up and blender. Come in, have a seat, and let's talk about this. Me can't hold it off a ball out. Shout out to the Dovey Magnum fans out there right now. We're wishing Dovey all the best. So I'm looking at this headline, and the headline says ICE arrests singer who was allegedly in the US illegally for more than a year. Me, I go give the whole article in a SoFlo TV family. Before I do that, though, I ask you to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to make sure that you are notified every time a video goes live on SoFlo TV. All right, dancehall artist Dovey Magnum, whose born name is Simsky or Simsky Kimberly Harrison, however you want to say it, potatoes, potatoes. All right, tomatoes, tomatoes, has been arrested by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, allegedly for immigration violations following a raid late Wednesday, May 19th in Atlanta, Georgia. Following a raid. We're going to talk about that. Stick up in. Now, according to ICE's website, Dovey is currently being held at the Stewart Detention Center. The singer is said to have been in the U.S. for the better part of almost 3 years and had recently switched her management team. I wonder if our management team have something to do with this, because you know sometimes when you decide to let go of some people, cut connections with some people, the people them decide to say, okay, well since you move with all the money, we are going to just mash you up. I wonder if that's the case, or this is just something totally different. But that's just me wondering out loud. Let's get into the facts, what we know so far. So Harrison, which is Dovey, was scheduled to headline Purity's all-white weekend party alongside Dexter Daps in Florida this weekend. I try to tell you, say, Memorial Day weekend in Miami is nothing normal. It did a go shell. You understand? But it's clear that she won't be in attendance due to the circumstances. It's unclear as to who her replacement will be at this Purity all-white weekend party event. Her new single, Respectfully, was just released on all digital platforms this week. Neither Dovey Magnum nor her team has responded to these developments, is what the article says. Her social media, however, is not showing any signs of her absence. She's still promoting her music on her Instagram story. Her other single, Toxic, which she released in February, has also been a hit among her fans. The song was inspired by her current relationship, and she told Dancehall Magazine this: I try to keep it real for the fans. Toxic plays on the word toxic. And it is about the hardcore love, rude boy, rude girl love that some of us have experienced and or desire to experience. It's like a fantasy for some. She said, I am the girl that reps for the hardcore vibe, and I rep that fire that men love and women want to tune into or emulate. The singer may still be climbing in popularity in the US. Well, Dovey is very popular in the US, let me put it that way for a lot of people who don't know. If you see somebody on The Breakfast Club with Charlamagne the God, Angela Yee, and DJ Envy, then you know that's one of the platforms that says you have arrived. Not just anybody makes it into The Breakfast Club morning, all right? But her influence in the Caribbean music world is surely felt. It's felt in the US too, trust me. She recently had a quick chat with Rihanna, Riri, Ella, Umbrella Riri, who supposedly been working on her upcoming reggae album for the last few years. Now, in the comment section on Instagram, big up the girl them. We have two man. Riri said it, is what Dovey posted. Savage, not sorry, Rihanna responded, along with a few laughing emojis. Then Dovey said, my heart, IDC, I don't care. Call me fool, but this will be on my page forever. At Bad Gal Riri, and she tagged Riri in it, and she said, I love you, and boom, Savage, not sorry. Real bad gal thing. Tag Riri, make she hear respectfully. She loved them song there, is what Harrison wrote in the caption. Now, Harrison, of course, we're talking about Dovey. right? As things are going now, it seems as if the rumors are out or words are spreading that Dovey was picked up by ICE and it was in a raid and she was involved in some illegal activities which led to the raid and all this other stuff. So a lot of people have a lot to say right now. Her haters are coming out the woodworks right now. You know, people who never wish you good, them always chat bad about you, waiting for something to happen, and then when something happens, they jump on that. Aha! See it there? Yes, and that happened to her. Too hype, too bossy, all these other things. Me not like her, she chat too much, or whatever they want to say. That's how the haters operate, right? But her fan base is very supportive of her at the moment, and her new management actually put out some information. This is Nigel Angus 111. Nigel put out these words that says, I'm here to put all the speculations to rest regarding the at Dovey Magnum rumors, and he tagged Dovey at Dovey Magnum rumors about her being held by immigration. Listen up carefully. It would be foolish of us to deny this. That means she has been held. It would be foolish of us to deny this. But what we are not going to do is do the add-on speculation, quote unquote. So, to clear the air, this is an immigration issue. And then he put in big letters, NOT, not a criminal topic. Because like I said earlier, rumors are out that it was during a raid which Dovey was picked up, and people are saying, what kind of raid this? What kind of something is she involved in a criminal activities? The raid must have led to blah, blah, blah. So her new management is letting us know that it is not a criminal topic. There is only one problem, and it's regarding her overstaying here in the States. Okay, so that's confirmation. I have retained an attorney who goes by the name of Mr. Farquharson, and he has declared this is only an immigration issue, not a criminal case. So the people them where talk say a criminal case and she get caught up in a raid and all this. Stop the lies and the rumors. That's not how it went. He's going to tell us exactly how it went. He said, I have spoken to her assistant, Miss Stewart, who was present when everything occurred while at the airport with Dovey. And no government nor law enforcement have ever been to Miss Harrison's residence because they both were held at the airport. All right, so it wasn't no raid on them, raid no house, and Dovey was in there and she get wrapped up and caught up, and ICE took away the criminals and then took her to ICE facility. Nothing like that. It is said right here that I have spoken to her assistant, Miss Stewart, who was present when everything occurred while at the airport with Dovey, and no government nor law enforcement officials ever been to Dovey's residence because they both were held at the airport. So the rumors of that raid is a lie. Now, before entering Atlanta, this is where it all happened. See? So Miss Stewart was the only person allowed to enter. That means that them hold on pan Dovey and they let the other lady go, which is her assistant. As for Dovey, the Barbie doll makeover, she did recently have her body done. This was all a part of her rebranding and image along with her new developing album. I spoke with her son Jay, and he is doing okay during the whole tribulation. Despite it all though, this is a child without a mother. His mom is gone. That's Dovey. My position recently was to rebrand and organize Dovey on a professional level here for the States. We will continue to support her despite her current dilemma. As for right now, the artist is looking to get well and eager to see her son ASAP. It's best to hear it from me than from the speculations. I'm looking to make this situation as transparent as possible. The end is what new management wrote. Now, I haven't reached out to this person to find out if this person is new management, so let me put my disclaimer in there and says this was allegedly posted on behalf of new management, but I haven't verified to say, yes, this is new management. However, it does clear up the whole, oh, she got caught up in a raid and all this. Now, if you've been following Dovey for a while, like I have, you will know that Dovey has a son, and her son has certain medical conditions and all these other things. I don't know if he was born in the US, which probably would give another look at her case, immigration wise, right? She's a progressive, productive person. She is an artist. She is well known. She's popular. She's somebody that can just go on the run and hide. And in order for her to make a living, it would be best for her not to do anything like that. So all these things will play into her favor. Her son, his medical conditions, so on and so forth. Dovey posted these things before, and she was very transparent about them. You know what I'm saying? She's a mother. She's very close to her son. She loves her son dearly. That's another thing that's going to go in her favor, right? But we know how immigration work already at the same time. Now, you can get a good lawyer and fight your way out of these situations. And I would say in this case that Dovey has a good chance of coming out, actually being in the US, being put on temporary papers, and then sort out our permanent stuff along the way. Something similar to what has happened to the entertainer called 21 Savage. If you don't know about 21 Savage and his immigration issues, go and look it up. All right. These people are earners. They earn a lot of money. So Uncle Sam is not in no hurry to really kick out somebody whose earning potential is proven and their star power is proven. Them prefer make more money off of you. And the more you make is the more they'll make in taxes. Right. So it's not just a regular person. And again, she is not in a criminal issue. Now, one next big thing was when people are say, yo, she fly out, go to some other kind of island or place, I don't know, Dominican Republic or somewhere she went to go get her body done. So I don't know if it's that flight that she was coming back from after getting her body done. But if you read through again or listen carefully to the management account, the management, Nigel Angus, clearly states that she got her body done. Miss Stewart was the only person allowed to enter. As for Dovey, the Barbie doll makeover, she did recently have her body done. He said it clearly there. And this was all a part of her rebranding image along with her new developing album. So, could be true that she was coming back from getting her body done. But a lot of people are going to say, no, Dovey, man, you know, no sense or why. Your paper's not straight and you fly out to go get body done. You know, no say you were going to get in trouble coming back in. I don't know. Let's see where this one goes. Enough people are laugh right now, but the people who tune into SoFlo TV all the time, you know I'm not one of them kind of people. Man, I laugh after people when their downfalls come around or when their difficult times come around. Because difficult times bound to hit the whole of we, you know. It's just today for you and tomorrow for me. So I'm wishing Dovey all the best, right? I'm want to see her come out and come do our shows them and support our child and continue her rise to superstardom. Nothing bad not there for say. I'm a Dovey fan. I'm one of the people who say me tired of the pum pum song them and the sex song them from the dancehall females. If them can't come with something more strength here, something more solid, one of them songs that's gonna last for years and years to come. But I've also backed them up by saying that it is what their audience demands that they are giving the audience. It's a supply and demand thing. Some artists want to sing about holiness and all these things and good life, but they make one gun song and the gun song take off. So guess what happened now? The audience want a next gun song from the artist and a next gun song from the artist. And before the artist knows it, they look around and they've been doing gun songs for 5 to 10 years straight. Right? So it's a supply and demand thing. Me not nobody how them eat them food. And like I've said also on the immigration issue before, when you come a people place and you are a grown person, and you know your thing not straight, and you come here with your foolishness, which is crime involvement and these things, harming other people, etc. Mr. Fling them out quick, Uncle Sam. Fling them out quick. Because them make the whole of we look bad and making it harder for those who would actually use the opportunity to do something progressive and productive. The people, though, who come here but do something like a overstay, I don't look at them people there as a criminal. I know how the thing's set already. Me look upon them people there where circumstances make you have to do what you have to do sometimes, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of us are here now because somebody took that step before with their papers not being straight and work out them papers and then them get good one day and they sent for us and here we are and our children are born here and third generation and all these things. Seeing? So again, wish Dovey all the best. If you know something we mean or know, talk up in the comment section below. It's SoFlo TV. Hey Ice, Lego the woman, make sure come do our business. Alright? Me sure right now she has said me can't hold it me a ball out. I saw life. I'm out. Peace. Listen, we're back on our promo thing again, right? This channel gets about 10,000 videos per day and about an average of 900 to 1,000 new subscribers every month. That's a perfect place to put your business. You have your business, I don't care what business it is. I don't care if you're stripping, I don't care if you're a party person who throw parties, a promoter, I don't care if you're an artist, if you have a cake shop, cook shop, restaurant, whatever it is, you can send your business to me and let me promote your business for you. Promotion goes a long way. Alright? The number is 1-806-587-8953. Right down there, sir. Don't call my number unless it's about business. Whatever package you come with, I will design a price package for you that will work for you. And check this out, I'm not turning anybody away. So call the number, get your stuff promoted right now on SoFlo TV. Alright? Peace.